In today's fast-paced world, managing employee attendance can be a challenge. This challenge becomes even more complex in organizations with multiple locations. Manual attendance tracking is not only time-consuming but also prone to errors and misuse. This can lead to confusion, incorrect data, and inefficiencies. There's a higher chance of recording inaccuracies in proxy attendance. Manual processes are hectic, with manual attendance. But what if we could automate this process? Introducing our geolocation-based attendance tracking mobile application. Developed for GAIL, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas.
Our app begins with a sleek login page where you can enter your personal details like name, email ID, employee ID, number, and password. Once you hit the login button, your data is transmitted to our server, ensuring privacy and protection. After that, you will be redirected to a geofencing map, which tracks your current location. Here, you will find multiple attendance marking options, each according to your specific needs. Choose the automatic attendance option. Our system will notify you as soon as you enter 200-meter radius of the office by automatically marking your attendance at the precise check-in time. It's simple, smart, and seamless. If you are facing challenges in low network areas, you will be able to automatically mark your attendance via a scanning system. For those who work off-site, the manual attendance option allows you to mark your presence with S, giving you full control whenever you are on the move. Here you can find overview option where you can see fast check-in checkouts of attendance, automatically mark attendance, and manually attendance both.
Introducing our innovative feature, which is AI, where you can ask questions related to your attendance, and if you want to check location of any office, you just have to ask to AI, and if you want to calculate total working hour, you just have to ask to AI and it will give you instant answer. Build our app using multiple advanced technology, including blockchain for privacy and securing data, and including MySQL and Java for database management, and we use Flutter with Dart for app development, and GitHub for version control, and API integration for geofencing technology, and we use Python and generative AI for enhanced functionality. The app uses encryption for securing our data and secure storage method to prevent unauthorized alteration using blockchain. Regular backups and data integrity ensure that all data records is reliable and accurate. The app features user-friendly interface designed for simplicity and easy to use, with intuitive navigation and accessibility options, so that employees and organizations can effortlessly manage their attendance data. Aim is to enhance attendance management system using geolocation-based tracking solution, eliminating manual inaccuracy and embarking new standard for attendance management system with precision and security. The app version highlights our app with more captivating and professional manners.